Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Unique Study Tutorial. In the last video I have explained you the problems till 5th. So I request all my viewers to watch all the videos to have a clear idea about the subject. If you miss or skip the videos, you can't understand the concept. So you have to learn all the problems from the beginning. So we will start with problem number 6 from income from house property. Mr. Sandhya, 45 years age, owned a house which was let out to Mrs. Devi on a rent of 10,000 per month. So this is the actual rent receipt. And municipal value is 1 lakh, fair rental value is 1 lakh 10,000, standard rent is 75,000. So according to the Rent Control Act, when standard rent is given, you know how to calculate the GAV. Mr. Devi did not pay the rent for the month of July and also vacate the house on 31st. On August, she let out to Mrs. Shanti on a rent of 9,000. Expenses incurred during the previous year. Repairs we have to ignore. Municipal taxes we have to take as reduction. Interest on loan for the construction of house is 70,000. Calculate income from house property. Now let's begin the problem. Computation of income from house property for the current assessment year 2024-25. Okay, then the pro forma, that is particular amount. That we have to go for the working note. So working note number 1, which is very important, calculation of GAV, gross annual value. ERV is the higher of the following. First one, municipal rental value, MRV. MRV कितना है? See here, 1 lakh. Then we have FRV, that is fair rental value. FRV is how much? 1 lakh 10,000. Higher of the following, which is the higher value? 1 lakh 10,000. So your ERV is, step 2 is ERV. ERV कितना है? 1 lakh 10,000. After that, SRV, standard rental value. Standard rental value is 75,000. So lower of the following, lower is this one. Then SRV, ERV and ARV. In this problem, you have a small change that because the house is let out again after 4 months. So calculation of ARV. So calculation of ARV. ARV, adjusted ARV is equals to ARV minus vacancy allowance. So see here, the house is let out to Mrs. Devi for 10,000. For how many months? 3 months. 4 months. Okay. From March, April, May, June. April, sorry, starts from April. Assessment year starts from 1st April. So April, May, June. 3 months. Okay. 3 months means 10,000 into 3 is equals to 30,000. Until July she is there. So 40,000 we have to pay till July. But she have not paid the rent for 1 month. So minus vacancy allowance. Vacancy allowance is 10,000. So actual rent is 30,000. After that, in the month of August, she let out the house. Mrs. Sandhya has let out the house to another person for 9,000 into 8. 9,000 into 8 is 72,000. So the actual rent received is 1,02,000. Therefore, GAV is 1,02,000. This is your actual GAV. Move on to the next step. 1,000 to 1,02,000 is your GAV. Then your municipal taxes is how much? 15,000 minus 15,000, 87,000 is NAV. Okay. Then two deductions, that is deduction under section 24A. 30% of NAV. 30% of NAV is how much? 87,000 into 30 by 100 into 30% is 26,100. And minus deduction, second deduction, the section 24B, that is interest on loan. Interest on loan कितना है? 70,000. Add up both. 96,100. So you have to deduct from this 87,000. 7,000. 9,100 is loss from house property. Loss from house property. Okay. So this is problem number 6 we have completed. Okay. Thank you for watching the video.